Reading 12 and 24-hour clock part 1. Today we will learn how time is written and why and how AM and PM are used while writing time.
I want to learn how to dance, but where should I learn? There is a dance school in my colony. You can join there. Even I learned dance there during my holidays. It was a lot of fun. We both can learn together. That will be a lot of fun. Do you have any information about dance class? Yes, I do. I have their pamphlet. Hey, then show it to me. Come home, I'll show you. See, here is the pamphlet of the dance class. Show. They have mentioned the dance style and name of the teacher, but they have not mentioned what time they teach. It must be there. Look carefully. Oh yes, it does not mention the time. Hello, Auntie.
Hello, Neha. What are you both looking at?
Auntie, actually I want to join a dance class.
That is very good. Along with the studies, one should perform other activities as well.
Yes, Mummy. That's why I'm also thinking of learning dance again.
What is there to think? You both can join the dance class together.
Yes, Auntie. That is what we are planning. But the dance class timings are not written in the pamphlet.
Show me. The time of dance class is written on it.
Where?
See here.
This is the time? There is no hour or minute written on it.
Oh, this means you haven't been taught about time yet.
No, Auntie. It's not like that. We know how to tell time.
Okay, then you will understand this easily. See here, it is written batch 1 and the time of batch 1 is written in front of it. From 6 o'clock to 7:30.
So does this mean that these two dots are made in between to tell the hour and minute?
Yes, and these are not dots. This sign is called colon. And for time, hour, colon, minute is written like this on paper. See, it is 20 minutes past 2 o'clock in our house clock. So it will be written like this, 2:20.
Okay, this means that the first batch is from 6 o'clock to 30 minutes past 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Then why have they written this information twice?
Where is it written twice?
See this? The same time is written in front of batch 1 and in front of batch 6. From 6 o'clock 0 minutes to 30 minutes past 7.
No, these two are different timings. Batch 1 is in the morning and batch 6 is in the evening.
How do you know, Mummy?
Because they have written it. Look, in front of batch 1, the time is written as AM, whereas PM is written in front of batch 6.
AM, PM? What do they mean, Auntie?
AM is from 12 o'clock at night to 12 o'clock noon. Hence, AM written to show the time before noon. And PM is from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock at night. Hence, PM is written to show the time after noon.
Whenever the time has to be mentioned, we have to write it with the information whether it is before noon or after noon.
Yes.
But what does AM and PM stand for?
Full form of AM is ante-meridiem. Ante in Latin language means before and meridiem means noon. So, ante-meridiem means before noon.
Oh, that means the full form of PM would mean afternoon.
Yes, full form of PM is post-meridiem. Post means after and meridiem noon. Hence, PM means afternoon.
This means their batch 3 starts before noon at 11 o'clock and ends at 30 minutes past 12 in the afternoon.
Absolutely right. Now you have learned to read and write time.
Yes, Mummy. Even you can become a teacher.
Today we learned that time is written in form of hour, minute. AM is written in front of the time when time is before noon. PM is written in front of time when the time is afternoon. Full form of AM is ante-meridiem, which means before noon. And the full form of PM